Hi, it's Lauren from Fine & Country and welcome to Fairview Barton. Converted in 2017, this fantastic barn conversion offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living spaces and so much more. So come on in and take a look. Now we're inside in the absolutely fantastic open plan living space, and you can see behind me an extremely well-fitted kitchen, large reception areas allowing you to enjoy those spectacular views all day long. Now you've had a look inside, one of the real defining features of this stunning home is the outstanding views you can see behind me here. And not only that, this property has established gardens, just over 14 acres of grounds, multiple outbuildings and is positioned just a short distance from the popular North Devon village of Chittenham Hole. Now you've had a look around, if you would like to come and take a look at this fantastic home, please do give us a call at Fine & Country South Molton. We would love to show you around.